Back at again on another video. It's Team Izzat here. We're about to make some steak. So what we got here is a ribeye steak, and the reason we picked this steak is because it has a lot of fat, which makes it taste really good and juicy. So what we're going to do first is put a little bit of vinegar, which I already did. So I'm not trying to put more to ruin it, but I'm gonna put a bit just to show you guys, like this amount. Just don't put a lot. And secondly, we're gonna take the steak and marinate it with the vinegar on both sides. First we put it on this side, and like just keep twisting it and spreading it around. Then move it to the switch to the next side and do the same. And guys, that's going to make it taste really good. Marinate it for 2 hours. And also guys, we're going to put the salt on the steak when we grill it. Now we have marinated one of the sides for an hour. So now what I just did is I flipped it to the other side. Now we're waiting for it to marinate on the other side for an hour. Guys, now we're going to prepare our barbecue by heating it on high temperature so we can clean our barbecue for the steak. Okay guys, now we're done by cleaning our barbecue. Now we're going to do is put the temperature on low. And we have the steaks. It's been marinated for 2 hours. What we're going to do now is take the steak and put it inside the barbecue for it to grill. And each side should be grilled for 4 minutes, each side. So it can be juicy. You guys can't just keep switching it, so like, because the juices will be going away. We're about to put the salt. Put as much salt you guys want. I'm putting a good amount. This is on the first side of the steak. We haven't flipped it yet because it's been 4 minutes. Guys, look at that. Looks pretty beautiful. Some salt batings. Now we're about to put some black pepper. Important key to the success. Come on. Guys, I like my spicy. So just put as much as you guys want. You guys don't even need to put if you guys don't want, but I like it spicy. Guys, that smells good. We flipped it on the other side. And now we're putting salt and pepper again on the other side so we can make it nice and tasty. Because we want the flavor all around the steak because it's thick. Now we're putting the pepper in. As I said, you guys don't have to put if you guys don't like spice, but I like it. Okay guys, now we're putting our barbecue sauce into a small plate so we can put it on the steak. It will be easy to brush it on. Okay, now we're going to put the barbecue on the steak. Since it's almost done, so let's put a good amount. Okay guys, now we're doing on the other side of the steak. Okay guys, now we're done with our steak. Now we're put it in our pot over here. Look at that. Steak onto the plate. And guys, please like, share, and subscribe for more.